Wow.
Think that's fun, don't you? Don't you? Think that's fun? Do it again? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There we go. That's funny. Show us how you walk around. There you go. Hang on the table.
Oh yeah, eat the magazine. Don't look at me, she's smiling at me. I should sit over there. Hi, baby. Hi, Kristen. What have you got? Ah.
Kristen.
Kristen. Kristen. Maybe have her over there. She looks over this way, Bob.
Yeah.
She's not really facing us.
Come on. Here we go. Yep. Please, you can't see you standing.
Kristen. A-da-da-da. 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 A-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Sorry about that. That was just
A-da-da-da.
Sunday school business.
A-da-da-da.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
Kristen.
A little jet. Oh, you see that up there?
Ba-ba-ba-ba. Kristen.
You
Come
want
on.
me to tape you?
Yeah, really, she's doing a good job, eh?
There are things she's supposed to do, but she's not going to do them, right?
And I found a cookie here. Let's see, she made us some cookies last night, or night before last.
Oh, that
Want
sounds
to try a
good.
cookie? She did them on us.
Kristen.
Did I try a cookie? Yeah, that's a good cookie.
Is it funny? Is that a funny book?
Is that